Thanks for joining me again in the kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how I make a really good cooling foot cream using coconut oil, aloe vera gel, and peppermint essential oil. This cream is so easy to make, and you can whip it up in your blender, and it is perfect for those summer days when your feet are hot and tired, or you've gotten eat up by mosquitoes and you need a cooling lotion to put on. This works great. So thanks for joining me today, and let me share with you how I make this really easy whipped cream that has such a nice cooling effect on your skin. It turns it a really pretty minty green once you whip all these together. The recipe calls for 1 cup of coconut oil, a half a cup of aloe vera gel, and about 15 drops of peppermint essential oil. And the aloe vera gel and the peppermint are what makes it so cooling, and the coconut is always moisturizing to the skin. So stick around and see how I whip this up together. This is perfect recipe to make now in May using a Ninja mixer. I've got this all mixed together, so I've got plenty of cream for the summer. So stay tuned and watch as I get this all whipped up together. Okay, so I've already added 1 cup, so I'm doubling this recipe. I'm going to add a 2nd cup of coconut oil. I'm just putting it down in the Ninja mixer. And if you don't like peppermint oil, you could certainly use lavender or whatever essential oil you like. I like the peppermint because it is very cooling. Then the half a cup of aloe vera gel. And then I'm going to do 30 drops of essential oils because I am doubling this recipe. So 30 drops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh gosh, it smells so good. Okay, we're going to put the lid on. Give this a whirl. Let me bring you in a little bit closer. Okay, I'm just going to pulse this. Okay, I'm going to take the lid off and make sure all of the ingredients are pushed down so it can mix better. Just taking a spatula and running it down the sides. Oh, it smells so good. And I want to whip it so it's real creamy. Oil in it, you want it all whipped together. Let me show you what it's starting to look like. See how it's blended and it's starting to look like a whipped cream. Okay, I think one more time and we'll be ready to start pouring it out. Okay, there it is, 2 batches. I'm going to pull out my blade and try to get off as much as I can. Okay, I'm just going to take a spatula. See how pretty that is? And it's very creamy, and oh, it looks great. Okay, so let's pour some in these little jars. And I just kind of very easily pour it in. You'll have to wipe the jar down a little bit. But it's so nice and whipped. It's a very nice whipped cream, moisturizer cream. Shake it around. There's one. It smells so good. I got into a bed of fire ants last year and this cream saved me. It felt so good on my feet. Any kind of container works as long as it has a lid, and you really need to keep this cool, so you can't, if your house is above 72, you'll have to keep it in the refrigerator. I think I can get one more jar. I'm going to give some of these as gifts to my friends, family. But this is such an easy recipe, and it's such a nice gift to yourself, to your family, to your friends. So try whipping up your own foot cream. Peppermint, aloe vera gel, coconut oil. So easy. All right, let me finish getting this together, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, here is the finished product. I've got 6 jars of moisturizing foot cream or leg cream or whatever you want to use it for. It's perfect for sunburned skin, for insect bite relief. It's so easy to make. Again, the recipe was 1 cup of coconut oil, half a cup of aloe vera gel, and then 15 drops of peppermint essential oil. If you don't like peppermint, you could always use lavender, that would work, or orange or lemon. I love this because it's very cooling to the skin. So this is such a nice gift, as I've said before, for yourself or someone else. If you have a very warm home, you will need to keep this in the refrigerator because the coconut oil will melt above 72 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fridge, and then I'll have some to give out to some of my friends and family. And I hope you liked this video. If you liked this, give me a thumbs up, because I've got other recipes that I like to make using the coconut oil, and I'd be glad to share those with you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a very blessed and safe week. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for joining me here in my Mimi's Kitchen. Have a blessed day.